Hello, Filipinas! So I am Ira Patricia Mananawan and the current candidate of Miss Philippines Earth 2024. And I represent Batangas City.
Mayang adlaw, ako si Feliz Clarientea Salabanger Sanchez, your Miss Philippines Earth 2024 from Sindangan, Zamboanga del Norte. Nakahong na adlaw kaninya na tanan. I am Ira Mel Inutan Alpeche from Municipality of Matanao, Province of Davao del Sur.
Hi, I'm Gisela Reyes, representing the Filipino community of Rome, Italy.
Hi everyone, I am Anta Luciel Jones from Zamboanga City.
Hi, I'm Isa Denise Montez de Leon from Baler, Aurora.
Hello everyone, good morning. I hope everyone is having a lovely time. My name is Sam Zamora, representing Makati City.
Hello everyone, my name is Samantha Dana Bugos, your Miss Philippines Earth 2024 from Baco, Oriental, Mindoro.
Hello everyone, I am Kate Camille Ferrer Ganito and I am representing Municipality of Hipil, Zamboanga, Cebugan.
Hi, I'm Reina Ruhan from the Municipality of Aborlan. This is the first time that the Aborlan had been qualified for the national competitions. It's been really an honor to represent my municipality.
I'm Troy Laitay Rito and I am proudly representing Building a Sound in Samuel.
Good afternoon, I am Christine B. Bautista, a proud Esperance Buchanan and absolute.
Maanyang Maramat, I am Mary Joan Capuyan Fuentes, the representative of Maramat, Bicol.
Hello, hi mabuhay. My name is Bethany Aguero Sveni, representing Santo Niño, province of South Cotabato.
Mabuhay, Manayao, and I am representing Manay Davao Oriental. Branca May Avila Nueva from Davao City.
Hi everyone, I am Chauncey Rich Cañete Asena from the Municipality of Baulan, Province of Bukidnon. What's up first? I'm Priscilla Ancodas, I'm 21 and I'm from Logan City.
I am Mary Joyce Silverleaf, representing the beautiful municipality of Tusta, Bulacan.
Naipagnabigan tayo amin siya, Jonathan Sanihan Palapuro from
Isang malulubiyang hapon. Ako si Abigail Supilanas Cayagas, proudly representing Lasol, Casinas.
Mabuhay Pilipinas! I'm Marina Salvador, a proud Cabanatuanya, and I am proud representing Cabanatuan City on this year's Miss Philippines Earth.
Maayong adlaw sa inyo tanan. Ako si Angela Camopas. Sinadjahon din yung ina-representar ang syudad ng Pasig City.
Mayat-ayat din nga adlaw, I am Shaima Alves Alien Support representing the beautiful and vibrant city of Love, Iloilo City. Makasaysayang araw sa inyo lahat. Mula ako sa lungsod ng Pasig, ako si Catherine Santiago at umaagos ang pag-asa.